Hey everybody, Cowboy here. This is a video. This is actually off of our private lab. And we were talking about Elliot Wave, and I noticed that Bitcoin currently is in an Elliot Wave. So we did a forecast, and you'll see that the forecast takes Bitcoin up to a certain level, 34,000, some confluence up there. So pretty cool stuff. If you look at the screen right now, you can see our website, www.algofactory.tech. And at the bottom is also a QR code you can zap. Come see our website, see what we do. But in general, what we do is we help to build traders. We create traders, and we start from scratch or not. So, come check us out. Enjoy the video. And after the video, there's a little bit more information about how to find us and what we do. Okay? Once you are done with an Elliott wave, you're going to notice there is a retracement, right? And you can see this version of the strict version, it's pretty easy to see. You have this line that connects the bottom of the two, of 2 and 4, and you draw that line out, and A will generally come up to that. Now, it could come up quicker, it could come up later, but it generally is going to come up to that B point, which is where those two lines connect and extend out. So that's kind of a nice, easy way to have an idea of where that's going to go. And in this case, we could even map that out. So we have 2 connected to 4, right? So wherever this comes down, whatever happens here, 5 could be truncated in this case, which means it's an Elliott wave that fails, kind of. But either way, if it pops up or if it jumps back down, you might end up where price comes up real quick to be like this. Could come up later, could come up here. Either way, if it's a strict Elliott wave, it will do that. And in this case, we have, let's see, from here to here, this is a 618 retracement. This is a 1618. It's a perfect Elliott wave. Look at this. Look at this Elliott wave that actually happened. So remember, I've got an extension built into my fib tool. So this is an extension of the 1618 perfectly to this area. So according to stricter rules, wave 5 is going to be 100% of wave 1 or 1618 of wave 4. So let's do a forecast based on Elliott wave, right? So wave 1 was from here to there. So wave 5 is pretty much where I drew it. Look at that. Right here. Well, that's because I did I think it's because it was also going to be 1618 of wave 4. Okay. So this is wave, they mean wave 3. They don't, it's not, remember, this is a typo, so it's a 1618 of wave 3. So 1618 of wave 3 is all the way up to 38,000. So if we're going to go strict Elliott wave, then what we're looking at is a 34,000 top or a 38,000 top. So that right there, I mean, so far it's a pretty good Elliott wave. It's following all the rules that we looked at over here, which is really nice. It's, not always the case. So yeah, that's a good way. We're looking at a top, and I bet you that 34,000 makes more sense, because I also it also makes sense from a fib extension standpoint. Well, I mean, that's how I measured it in the first place. That's that. So it also like the 1272 of this as well. So if you do from 2 to 3, it's a 1272 extension, but it also happens to be the other metric that we talked about, the 100% of wave 1. So there's a lot of confluence around 34,000. Now, is there any liquidity at 34,000 on Kingfisher? There is not any that we can see right now. Doesn't mean it's not going to go there. It'll certainly start to go there if price breaks above 32,000, and then people think it's going to go down. There will be, people will go short. It'll put liquidity on the map. But for now, that's a decent look right here. So that's a pretty cool forecast that we stumbled upon. So we are live every weekday, 8:30 AM EST, giving out free content. Come check us out on YouTube. Come talk to us. Go over to the website. That's www.algofactory.tech. Again, www.algofactory.tech. And for a limited time promotional offer, we are
Giving Up memberships at $49.99 a month. There's a ton that we're offering over there. Come see what that's about. Also, you can see our Twitter link. All the links are up on YouTube. Come talk to us on social media. See us on the live YouTube videos. We hope to see you soon.